to my channel. So today I'm here with a big news, and the news is that the Certified AI Specialist Salesforce certification, the name is changed to Certified Agentforce Specialist. So recently Salesforce on 3rd March made this decision to change the name of AI Specialist certification. And also for all those of us who have already given the AI Specialist certification, they have given us emails saying that there has been a change in our exam and what we need to do. So we don't need to do anything, but when you will navigate to your profile in Trailhead, you can see now that this AI Specialist exam is coming with this name now, Agent Force Specialist, and also we can download a logo. So I am going to tell you how we can do it if you not already know that. And also I am going to tell you about one of interesting quest which is going on. So if you all want the Trailblazer hoodie right now, so you can enter a quest, and there are 250 hoodies which they are giving this time. So it's a big number and it's a big chance to get it. Okay, so I'm going to go on quest and tell you that how we can complete, what all things we can do. Let's dive in. So first of all, I am going to navigate to my profile. This is my Trailhead profile. Okay, and here where we get these certifications, here you can see that it is coming as Salesforce Certified Agent Force Specialist. Okay, where it used to come AI Specialist, now it is coming Agent Force. And I would say to all of you to download the logo. I have already downloaded it, but you just go and download the logo and share it on LinkedIn and tell your friends that you got a new Agent Force Specialist logo. And now let's go on to the quest. So if you guys don't know how to navigate to the quest, so we have to go on the bottom of the Trailhead website, and here we get to the community events and quest going on. So here if we go to the quest, it is going to take you to this quest page. Okay, so now it says Trailblazer quest. Okay, so you can explore these quest, and here it is one of the featured quest. Okay, so they are saying that you have to become a Agent Blazer champion. Okay, so they have launched the Agent Blazer ranks recently, and now in this quest you have to be a champion. And there is already this, you just have to complete this module. So as you can see that all these things are already completed, which are coming in green. You can just mark it as completed. And you can go and see that what is this is the TDX. Okay, so recently the Salesforce TDX happened, so they have some videos of very nice, very interesting videos. I would suggest if you are interested in Agent Force, just go there and see that how beautifully they have given the presentations. I really liked. So you can go and watch it here. And then some more, we can sign up to the new developer edition. So now if you remember that before, we need to regularly create the Salesforce orgs again and again if we are doing some hands-on, and that needs AI, right? So it says that this org is activated only for 2 days, 24 hours or 48 hours, something like that, and then it will expire. So whatever we have done in that org will go away. But now the good news is that the org is not expiring, so you can go and you can try on the new edition. And then it is about the mobile look, and finally they have a trail. So if you will open that, you will get a lot of things on AI. Most of it will be covered if you already have given these certifications, and if you have used Trailhead for the AI certifications, most of it will be covered for you. But yeah, the rest of it which is not covered, so you can just go and answer the questions. There is a project also which we can complete, and once we are done with this, then we can mark it as completed, right? So this will all come in green. You have to see that this should come in green, right? If this is coming in green, means that we have already completed this quest and we have participated. And also within a week or within 10 days, they announce the results and they tell us that that we have won or not. Okay, so you will get an email, and if you have won, they will ask your address and everything so that they can give you the hoodie. Also, there is a trail mix for road to ranger. So if you want the ranger hoodie, right, so you can go again. I'll go on the quest. Okay, if you will scroll down here, you will see uh, one quest for this one, road to ranger and beyond. Okay, so you can ranger up, you can participate in this. There are 25 hoodies which they will distribute, so you can just participate and grab your ranger hoodie. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. Your one subscription means a lot to me, and I'll keep posting you about the other updates from Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.